Okay, well, that's next Thursday's video. All right, here we go. Now, I want to go into this, and we're still in Genesis 50, but it goes down to verse 15, and I'm talking to y'all about forgiveness on this one, okay? And when Joseph's brethren saw that their father was dead, they said, Joseph will peradventure hate us, and will certainly requite us all the evil which we did unto him. And they sent a messenger unto Joseph, saying, Thy father did command before he died, saying, So shall ye say unto Joseph, Forgive, I pray thee. Now, and they're asking about forgiveness, about their trespasses and all that, okay? And Joseph wept when they spake unto him. And his brethren also went and fell down before his face, and they said, Behold, we be thy servants. And Joseph said unto them, Fear not, for I in this place of God. But as for you, ye thought evil against me, but God meant it unto good to bring to pass. And it is this day to save much people alive. Now therefore fear not, I will nurse you and your little ones. And he comforted them and spake kindly unto them. Now see, he didn't get upset with them, okay? Now he did get to have a little fun, you know, because they didn't recognize him at first. And he sent them back and forth and to bring his little brother Benjamin and his dad there and all that. Then he just couldn't hold it in any longer, and he revealed himself. Well, the brothers still thought that maybe he might have had aught, you know, when the father died, that he may have still had aught, and he was only being kind because of dad, or some long, you know, I'm paraphrasing that, okay? But they thought he had aught against him. He's like, no. He says, this evil that was done against me was done so that the good could happen. And sometimes that happens in life. Sometimes bad things happen so that something good will come out of it. Because we don't know what God has planned. He knows that these things are going to happen, so he made something good come out of it. Just like he did with Joseph. All that bad happened to him. He went through a lot, but then he got into position. And even once he got in position, there was one point where he had problems with another situation. Y'all got to read Joseph's life. It's amazing the stuff he went through. And even when he was put in prison, okay, at one point, okay, he still was favored there. And then they brought him out because of a dream. You know, he can interpret dreams and stuff. And they brought him back out, and then he got favor, and he got over all of Pharaoh's stuff. Oh, what happened was the Pharaoh's wife said that Joseph went under her, and that's what made Joseph go in prison. You guys got to read this about his life. It's so interesting. I love y'all. Do it God's way, not your way, and thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all like my hat.